See this question better. Find C effective across A and B. Okay. So
Yes.
this is a given diagram for me. Okay. Here there is one capacitor. Here there is one capacitor. Here there is one capacitor. And here there is one capacitor like this. And it is going up to infinity. This is also going up to infinity. And here there is one capacitor. Here there is one capacitor. This is your terminal B and this is your terminal A. This is your C, like that, M to infinity. This is 2C, this is 2C, and this is 2C.
Yes, sir.
I need to calculate the effective capacitance across your A and as well as of your B part application. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See, what we do is whenever we get దీనిలో రిపీటింగ్ అవుతున్నాయేమో చూసుకోవాలి. See, here C and 2C.
Yes, sir. Repeating, sir. Yes, sir.
Again C and 2C.
Yes, sir.
C and 2C. So these are all of repeating. So there are infinite pairs of C and 2C together because it is going up
Yes,
to
sir.
infinity. So what we do is keep the first one as it is. Keep the first pair as it is better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Isn't it? You keep the first pair as it is. What I'm doing, see in this one, I'm keeping the first pair as it is. This one. This is your B, this is your A, this is your C, and this is your TC. And I'm removing the remaining all C, 2C, 2C, this is C. I'm giving a name for this one and assuming it that the total capacity of this one is, say, for example, some C dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so repeat and so what you do is try to remove all the repeating circuit and give it name. So what name I'm giving it for that one? But C dash.
C dash. Okay, sir.
See, because
Sir, all the rest of the things, sir. Rest of the pairs.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
these two will be in which combination? Parallel kada?
Parallel combination.
So this will become somewhat like this for me. This is your B, this is your A, this is C. So this will
Yes,
become for me how much better capacitance in parallel means what? This will
2C
become
plus C dash.
plus of your C dash.
Yes, sir.
Now these two will
Yes,
be
sir.
which combination?
Series, sir.
Series combination. So C effective will become for me how much? Series
1 by C
This will
plus
be in the series combination.
series. Yes,
So it will become for me 1 by C effective. See, whatever name
Yes,
you
sir.
have given for the infinity beta, the C effective should also be taken as of your same. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So 1 by C effective is equals to, this one will become for me how much? 1
1 by C plus 1 by 2C plus C.
C dash. That means these are two capacitance property. C effective I can write as C effective is equals to
C square.
By removing the infinite, what is the name you have given beta? C dash kada?
C dash. Yes, sir.
You also give the C effective C dash name. So C dash will be equal to your, this will be C into 2C plus of your C dash divided by, this will be C plus 2C plus of your C dash. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? What is the condition?
Yes, sir.
Removing the infinite, whatever the name you are giving, you may give you C dash, you may give you X, you may take it as Z, whatever name you are giving, for 1 by C effective also you take the same name better.
Okay, sir. C dash. Yes.
Now see, if I cross multiply this one, see how much I'm getting right now. This will become for me C dash into, this will become for me C plus 2C plus of your C dash will be
Yes.
equal to C into 2C plus of your C dash. Okay, na? So this will become for me how much better should have? This will become for me C dash into C plus this will become for me 2 into C dash plus of your C dash
square
equals to 2C square plus of your C into C dash. Right?
2C square. Yes, sir. C into C dash.
So this one is a C dash plus 2C C dash means this will become for me 3C C dash plus of your C dash square is equals to, this one is 2C square plus of your C dash. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this will become for me how much? C dash square plus 2C C dash because 3CC minus either just 2CC dash.
Yes, sir. 2C
minus of your, this one will become for me 2C square is equals to 0. This is becoming a quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this is
Yes,
quadratic in nature. Quadratic in nature. isn't it? So if I'm writing the quadratic ratio, so I can write this one, C dash will be equal to your minus of 2C. This will be plus or minus under root of your, this will become for me 4 into C square plus 8 into your C square divided by 2. అంతే కదా quadratic equation
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this will become for me C dash is equals to minus of 2C plus or minus, this will become how much beta?
16 C. We can take it as so 12C. We can take it as 12C whole square. So
yeah, 12C whole
which is,
square.
yes, sir. So square and root we can cancel, right? So 12C whole
Yeah,
square.
so this is
12.
under root of ఇది అంతా ఎంత వస్తుంది 12C square divided by 2 అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Root 12 means
Square and root we can cancel.
how much?
Square and root we can cancel, right? So
Square and root, how do you write this one? That's what I'm asking you. So C dash will become for me, this is minus of 2C dash divided by 2,
yes, sir.
isn't it? So this will become for me how much? Minus of C dash.
Yes, sir.
This will be plus or minus, this will be equal to your root 3.
12C. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will become
4
root 3 into C.
Yes, sir.
Because 4 I'm taking under root, so it will become 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12, isn't it? So
yes,
if
sir.
it's going to be negative, so this will become for me how much for me? C dash is equals to root 3 minus 1.
Minus 1 into C. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got an idea how to do the infinite number of your problems, resistance problems?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you're seeing the infinity, remove it and give it name. Once you identify with the series and parallel part of your relation, then C effective also you write it as like that only. Okay, no? Whatever name you're giving,
Okay, sir.
remove whatever name you're giving, the same
You have
name.
to change it to yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, so even if it is 1 by anything, also we have to take it as
1 by anything also same basically. I'll give you one more question. So try Shay.
yes,
Take
sir.
a paper and pen and try to do it out. One, two, three. Okay, and this one is going up to infinity. This one is also going up to infinity.
Yes.
And here there is one capacitor like this. Here there is one capacitor, there is one capacitor, there is one capacitor, one capacitor. Here is one capacitor, here is one capacitor, one capacitor, one capacitor.
Yes.
So now whenever you are taking up to the infinity part, there is one capacitor like this in between. There is one capacitor like this in between. There is one capacitor like this in between. This is the terminal A and this is your terminal B. Okay. So this one is C, this one is C, this one is C, this one is C, 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 and C. The middle one is nothing but 2C. This one is 2C and this one is 2C. Anything is repeating, you see better?
Yes, sir.
And this
C,
one,
2C and C, sir.
This one is also 2C.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? To see here. If I'm taking the first one, this one.
Yes, sir.
Is repeating.
Yes, sir. Repeating.
Whatever effect you are getting right now for me. See, this one is also you're repeating.
Yes, sir. It is. This side, sir. See, yes.
This is also repeating. And here also, this one is also repeating.
Yes, sir.
So everything is 2C, 2C, 2C. Isn't it? So what I'm doing, it is going up to what? Infinity.
Yes, we can take it as C dash.
The first one as it is. So what I'm keeping the first one as it is. There is nothing but a here A. Here there is one capacitor. And here there is one capacitor. And here there is one capacitor. This is your terminal of your B. This is C, and this one is your 2C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remaining mattam dishesham kabatti, we'll give the name for that one kada. So what I told you, so we'll giving the name for that one. So that capacitor, I'm giving it name as of your C dash. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
That means I can rewrite this one as something like this. This one is one capacitor. This will become one capacitor. And here is one capacitor. And this is your B. And this is your A. This is C. 2C and C are in which combination better? Parallel combination, kada?
Yes, sir.
So that will become, this will become for me 2C plus of your C dash. And this one is nothing but of your C. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All of them are in which combination? Series.
C. Yes, sir. All of them are in series.
If it is 1 by C, plus 1 by 2c plus of your c dash plus of your 1 by c. And then,
Yes, sir.
so this will become how much for me, beta? This will become for me 1 by c plus 1 by c means how much it will become? 2 by c, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 by this one is of your 2c plus of your c dash. This is 1 by c equivalent. C equivalent also I'm taking it as c dash.
C dash. Yes, sir.
So c dash and 1000 jodi bro. So c dash will become for me. This will become for me how much, beta?
2C by ante sir 2 into we can take it as sir 2 into 2C plus C dash plus C divided by C plus
okay, I'll keep
2.
this one as it is 1 by c only kada. Adi better kada.
Yes, sir. Adi 1 by C. Yes, sir.
1 by c plus of your 1 by c.
1 by C.
This will become for me 2c plus of your c dash into this will become for me 2 plus c. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. 2 plus C. Yes, sir.
Divided by this will become for me c into 2c plus of your c dash. That will be the LCM.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
This is your 1 by c dash only still. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు ఒకసారి. This will become for me how much, beta? 1 by c dash అంటే this one is 2 into 2 4c కదా.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? This one will become for me 2c plus of your 2c dash plus c. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Divided by your this one is 2c square plus c into c dash. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
1 by your c dash. 2 into 20 is 4 kada. So ఇక్కడ 2 kada.
Yes, sir.
This one you multiply.
Yes, sir. 4.
So this will become how much for me? 4 into c. So if I'm adding for this one, how much I'm getting right now? This will become for me 5c plus of your 2c dash. Then
Yes, sir.
divided by
Yes,
this
sir. 5C plus 2.
2 into c square plus c into c dash.
C dash. Yes, sir.
1 by c dash. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I cross multiply, this will become for me 2c square plus c into c dash. This c dash will go here right now. This will be 5c and c dash plus 2c dash square.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So 5, this is same కాబట్టి this is minus అయిపోతుంది. So it is 2c dash square plus 4c c dash minus of 2c square. That will be equal to 0. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
So 2 1s are పోతుంది కదా, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are.
2 1s are. Yes.
This will
So
become
C
for me
dash square plus C
plus 2c c
2C
dash minus of c square is
C
equals
square.
to 0. Again, this is a quadratic in nature.
Quadratic. Yes.
Isn't it? So this one will be your quadratic in nature. So that means this will become for me c dash will be equal to minus 2c plus or minus under root of your, this will be equal to 4 into c square plus 4 into your c square.
Yes, sir. 4C square. Yes, sir.
Divided by your 2. అంటే దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు. సో c dash will be equal to minus of 2c plus or minus this will become how much per meter? 4 అంటే 4 2 root 2 అయిపోతుందా? 2 into root 2 c divided.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. 8 ante yes, sir.
Yeah.
We'll
So
get it as 4 2.
వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be minus c plus or minus లా ప్లస్ తీసుకుంటాము. This one will be 2 root 2 into c. సో ఈ మైనస్ సైన్ ఇక్కడ తీసేసుకుంటే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 2 root 2 into your c minus of
Minus,
this will be
yes,
equal
sir.
to your
Minus c.
c. And
Yes,
this
sir.
dash will become how much for me? Root 2 minus 1 into c. అంతే కదా? దీనిలో 2
Yes, sir.
వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా, రూట్ 2 రాదు.
Yes,
ఇక్కడ 2
sir.
ఇక్కడ తీసేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ 2 ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఈ 2 కూడా ఉండదు. అంతే కదా? 2 root 2 లో 2 బై ఉంది కదా, బై 2 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. అంతే కదా?
Okay, yes, sir.
This one will become for me. So c dash will become for me how much? Root 2 minus 1 into c. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir.
So infinite number of resistors ఇచ్చిన, infinite number of capacitors ఇచ్చిన, try to remove the repeating sessions and effective calculation చేసేటప్పుడు whenever you remove the effective, whatever the name you are given, the same name you should also give it for the effective part of equation.
Yes, sir.
I'll just write that one better. When we removed infinite repeating circuits, whatever name we had given, we should take same name for effective capacitance.
Yes, sir.
For effective capacitance. Okay, that will give me the answer. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So that is about your basic conditions when the dielectrics are, when the infinite number of resistors are being taken into the consideration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. If I'm talking about effect of dielectric, beta, I might sir. Effect of your dielectric. Okay. This is your capacitor. When air is the medium between them, capacity is C is equals to epsilon naught into A divided by D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some dielectric is being inserted in this one like this. When certain dielectric is being inserted in this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Capacity will also increase that many number of times. So C dash will become for me K times of your epsilon naught into your A divided by D. That means C dash will become how much for me? K times of your C naught. The C naught in the air. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So whenever dielectric is being inserted in that one, the effective capacitance will be increasing how much time beta? K times part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Listen, due to the electric field, what is happening to the electric field also beta? Whenever dielectric is being inserted in this one, electric field will also become for me E naught by K. That is becoming for me E naught by K.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No. Yes, sir.
So electric field is also decreasing by your 1 by K times.
Yes, sir.
Electric field is also decreasing by how much? 1 by
1 by K times.
And capacity is increasing by your K times of your epsilon naught. Okay,
yes.
na? Sure. One more an important formula beta. If a parallel plate capacitor is filled partially now, partially with a dielectric, that means this is your dielectric, this is your capacitor. In this one we are keeping a dielectric like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your dielectric constant of your K. Okay, thickness
Yes,
of this one is, say for example, T. Total distance from here to here will equal to D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the capacitance will become how much for me here? C will be equal to your epsilon naught into your A divided by, this will be your D minus of your T. Remaining distance and then D minus T.
Yes, sir. D minus T.
D minus of your T plus of your T by your K. Proof is
Okay,
not
sir.
required for the NEET examination. Directly remember in terms of thickness when you're remembering, C will be equal to your epsilon naught into your A divided by your D minus of your T plus of your T by your K part of relation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
When n number, if more than 2, 3 are being kept, at that time what we'll do? If 2 or more than 2 dielectrics are kept, dielectric slabs are inserted, then this will become how much for me beta? Epsilon naught into your A divided. So D minus 2 or more dielectrics under the 2 or
Yes,
more
sir.
dielectrics under then thickness T1 plus T2 plus T3 go on up to, like this you can take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will become for me how much right now? T1 by your K1 plus of your T2 by your K2 plus so on up to like this. This will give you the effective capacitance for more than 2 dielectrics when they are being kept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So dielectrics add చేసుకుంటున్నాము and thickness కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతున్నాం అంతే ఇంకేం లేదు.
Okay, sir.
ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ లో సెకండ్ ఫార్మ్ లో డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా ఏమీ లేదు అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ
Yes, sir. It's the same only.
and T by K value is also going to change the basic condition.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
చార్జ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చెప్పాను కదా నీకు ఆల్రెడీ.
Sir?
So if I'm talking about charge distribution on a plates, okay, then I'll just roughly give you an idea.
Yes, sir.
Inside heading charge distribution. Charge distribution. Like say for example, these are the plates which I'm taking right now. See? This is one plate here, like this, and here there is one more plate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for this one, I have given a charge Q1 here, and this one is of your Q2. This is side A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If I'm asking you what is the charge on plate A, plate B, plate C, plate D, now how do you write it right now? See, whenever you're giving the charge, this will be positive and this will be your negative. The charge will be equally distributed here on this one beta. So this will become on this plate, this will become always Q1 plus of your Q2 divided by your 2. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
On this side, it will be your Q1 minus of your Q2 divided by your 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
On this side, din యొక్క opposite. That is nothing but of your Q1 minus of Q2 divided by 2, but you write with your minus sign.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this side again Q1 plus of your Q2. Q1 plus of your Q2 divided by your 2 part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Faces, surface, the faces, surfaces will have equal and opposite charge beta. Isn't it? See,
Yes, sir.
see on the A and D, the charges are same. Isn't
A
it?
and D. Yes, sir.
Opposite, same and opposite. Like say
Opposite. Yes, sir. Magnitude is same and sign is
sign is only
different.
different. For
Yes.
this one, if I'm calculating the potential, potential will be equal to your Q1 minus of your Q2. Q1 minus of your Q2 divided by 2 divided by C. Okay. That means this
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal to your Q1 minus of your Q2 divided by 2C. So this is your formula. Very important formula. Already asked me so many times in competitive examinations.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next one. Spherical capacitors. Spherical capacitors. This one is say for example one sphere, and this one is say for example of your another sphere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And radiuses I'm taking right now, beta. For this one, from here to here, there is one radius. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And another radius is from here to here, like this. Okay. Outer radius is say for example of your R2, and inner radius is say for example of your R1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for this one, whenever we are having two radii part of relation beta, charge will always reside on outer surface. So this will be plus Q, this will be your minus Q, and this will be your plus Q. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is earth, outer part is right now earth. Whenever it is earth means then potential and the is 0.
0. Yes.
Capacity of this one will become for me 4 pi epsilon naught into R1 into R2 divided by your R2 minus of your R1. So this is the formula with two radii. Okay. If R2 is becoming infinity, if R2 is equals to your infinity, then C will become for me how much better? 4 pi epsilon naught into your R1.
R. Yes.
For an isolated sphere of only one sphere of radius R or not uncounted.
Yes, sir.
Will be the formula for that one. For two radii, the 4 pi epsilon naught into R1 and R2 divided by R2 minus of R1. The proofs are there for this one beta, but ultimately there will be of no use. Finally,
Okay, sir.
practice with the numerical, that will be more better for you to do the problems part of equation.
Okay.
And if the space between them is filled with the dielectric, if space between the shells is filled with the dielectric, if it is filled with your dielectric, then I told you already this capacity will become how much for me beta? K
Into
times
the, yes, sir. K times.
K times of your C, that's it.
Yes, sir.
The same way. One more, next one. Cylindrical capacitor. Cylindrical capacitor. this. Okay.
Yes, sir. So the top is like a spherical.
Yeah, spherical one better.
Yes, sir.
This one
Both
is
top and bottom.
here, and here there is like an halo
Yes, sir.
part. Okay, na? దీనిపైన
Yes.
charge ఉంటుంది ప్రతి చోట, everywhere there will be charge always on the outer surface of this one right now.
Yes.
And on this one there will be a opposite charge. Equal and opposite charge will exist on the inner surface of this plate like this. Okay, length of
Yes.
this one is, say for example, equal to your L. Okay, and here the radii of this one I'm taking right now from this axis. If I'm taking, the inner radius is nothing but equal to your R1, and outer radius is nothing but, say for example, R. Okay,
Yes, sir.
inner radius is nothing but equal to your R1.
R1.
One second. So from here to here, this one is nothing but equal to your R1. From here to here, this radius is nothing but equal to your R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then the formula will become for me, C is equals to your 2 pi epsilon naught into your L divided by log of your E into your R2 divided by R1. The derivation good only. If you need the derivation, I'll send you, but there is no use of that one because even for you in board, he'll not ask you anywhere the derivation of this one. Only thing
Okay,
is
sir.
based is important. Even for your board examination, it is not there better.
Okay, sir.
Only for competitive examination, you need to write out for this relation part. Okay, na? ఇది
Yes,
log
sir.
రాసుకోవచ్చు, లాన్ లో కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. C is equal to this
Yes,
will
sir.
become for me 2 pi epsilon naught into your L divided by this one will be ln of your ఎంత అవుతుంది, R2 by your R1.
Yes, sir.
Into R2 by your R1. Clear? The
Yes,
space
sir.
name is filled with the dielectric. If space is filled with dielectric, capacity will become for me K times of C.
Yes, sir. K times.
Okay, no? So where is
Yes,
the
sir.
dielectric means space between them is this region better. I'll draw here. See. This
R2
region.
minus 1.
Yeah, ఈ region లో నీకు మొత్తం dielectric ఉంటుంది. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dielectric has been filled like this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even for the previous one is also same bit. The dielectric has been filled in this region for us.
Yes, sir. Same R2 minus 1.
Yeah. This is your dielectric constant of some K. The derivations చెప్పారా క్లాస్ లో?
Sir?
దీని డెరివేషన్స్ చేశారా క్లాస్ లో?
చేశారు సార్ వాళ్ళు. అంటే మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ కుండి అంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇది మెయిన్ అని చెప్తారు అట్లా సార్.
Okay, so this is a dielectric constant of your K.
Yes, sir.
Here also in this one there is a dielectric constant of your K particulation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't clear? This is the way how do we get the problems on the given condition part. Okay, ఒక రెండు problems చేసుకుందాం, we'll get a clarity how we are doing the problems related to this.
Okay, sir.
This question right now. Question is find the equivalent capacitance between your A and B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm taking the dielectric here, see right now, this is one capacitor I'm taking. Capacitor is right now like this. One capacitor is like this. And one more capacitor is like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
and this one is somewhere here terminal, and here this one is some terminal. This is your A and this is your B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is some vertical separation between them. This is a dielectric of K1 and this is a dielectric of K2. So what is one short trick for this one, you see?
Sir, so when distance is half, we have to take it as series, and the area is half, we have to take it as parallel, sir.
Exactly.
Okay, sir.
Hello? Hello? చూడండి distance is
Yes,
not changing in this one. Distance change అవుతుందా?
no, sir.
Distance is remaining same. For K2 it is same, and for K1 it is also distance is D.
Same. Yes, sir. D.
Remaining half.
Yes, sir.
So C1 is equals to dielectric constant K1 A by 2 epsilon naught into A divided by D. అదెంత వస్తుంది? K1 epsilon naught A by 2D. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
T2 is equals to this much. That means now area is been half, means what type of combination they are?
Area is half means they are parallel, sir.
Parallel combination.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes,
Area
sir.
is half. That means it is in parallel combination.
Yes,
Parallel
sir.
combination means C effective ఎంత అవుతుందన్న? C effective,
C1 plus C2, sir.
C effective is equals to C1 plus C2.
Yes, sir.
So C1 is how much we got right now? K1
K1, you know.
naught into A divided by 2D.
Yes, sir.
This one is equals to K2 into epsilon naught into A divided by 2D. అంటే C effective ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పు సార్? C effective will be equal to,
Sir, we can take E naught A common.
divided by 2 epsilon naught into A by D will be common. So this will be the answer.
Sir, down we can take 2D also common, right, sir?
Where 2D?
అంటే instead of
epsilon naught into A by D అనేది ఫార్ములా తెలుసు కదా, ఒరిజినల్
okay,
కెపాసిటీ
yes, sir.
రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? C effective will be equal to your, I can write this one as of your K1 plus of your K2 divided by 2 into your C and
Epsilon
Rasa.
naught A. Yes, sir. Is C. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
I'll give you one more question. So you try to do it, whether you can do it or not.
Yes, sir.
This is one plate here right now. And here is one more plate like this. Okay.
Yes.
And, here there is one plate like this for this one. This one is another like this. This is a terminal B. And this is your terminal P. I'll take this one as of your Q. Okay. This one is
Yes,
of your Q. And this one is somewhere at the center. This one is of your dielectric K2. This is your dielectric of your K1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the dotted line, I'll take it as something like this. Sorry. Like this. This is your K1. This is your K2. This distance is becoming half d by 2. And this distance is becoming half for me d by 2. Area is here, area is here. There is no change in area. This
Okay,
is
sir.
the constant of K1. This is a dielectric constant of K2. అంటే పైన మొత్తం ఒక డైఎలెక్ట్రిక్ ఉందన్న.
Yes, sir. Now it is series, but sir, we have to consider.
అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
And
Distance
down there is one dielectric right now like this. అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
So if distances are right now, what distances are becoming half, but area is remaining for me the same.
Same. Yes, sir.
Will become for me how much for me? Epsilon naught into your A divided by distance is nothing but equal to your d by 2.
2.
That means
Yes,
this
sir.
will become
2
for me
will go up.
epsilon naught into your A divided by your
Yes,
d.
sir.
The same way C2. C2 is equal to how much for me? 2 into epsilon naught into your A divided by d again.
Yes, sir.
They are in which combination now? Series combination. Kada?
Series. Yes, sir.
They are in series combination. So 1 by C effective will be equal to your 1 by C1 plus of your 1 by C2.
Yes, sir.
C effective will become how much for me? C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2.
C1 plus C. Yes, sir.
Just write that value right now. C effective will become how much for me beta? So C effective will be equal to C1 will be equal to how much beta? This one will be dielectrics kuda unnai kada deeniki.
Yes, sir.
Kuda undi kabatti I'll write in terms of dielectrics. So this will be K1. So this one is K1. So this one is also having K1. K2, sorry.
Yes.
This one is K2. Dielectrics kuda ichchadu kabatti. So C1 will become for me. This will become for me 2 times of K1 into epsilon naught into A divided by T into this one is your 2 times of your K2 into epsilon naught into your A divided by your D divided by this one is your 2 times of K1 into epsilon naught into your A divided by D plus 2 times of your K2 into epsilon naught into your A divided by your D. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So C effective will come out for me how much better? 2 into 2, 4. It is 4 K1 K2 epsilon naught square A square divided by your D square. And
yes, sir.
Divided by. In this one, what I can take common better? 2 is common, epsilon naught is common, A is common, D is common. This will be your K1 plus of your K2. Anything is getting cancelled, you see right now beta here. So it is 2 1s are, this is 2 2s are.
2s are, yes, sir.
Square, epsilon naught square.
So E naught and square.
It gets cancelled.
Square. Yes.
So ultimately, I'm getting this one as of here. C effective is equals to. C effective is equals to. 2 times of your K1 into your K2 divided by. And this K1 plus K2 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ.
Points are direct K1 plus K2. Yes, sir.
K2 into పైన ఏముంది మన దగ్గర epsilon naught into your A divided by D.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will be your C. Clear?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైంది కదా చేసుకుంటే కదా ఇలాంటివి.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? I'm giving you some questions as an homework. You please try to do them.
Okay, sir.
So first question. So this is the capacitor. This is your K1 is equals to 4. This one is K2 is equals to 3. And this one is K3 is equals to 6. This distance is becoming for me D by 2. This distance is also becoming for me D by 2. this area is becoming a by 2 and this one is becoming for me a by 2.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so one more question here. Try check Kachitanga.
Yes, sir.
One more question is I'll take down so that it will be easy for me to do it when we come back. So this will be equal to somewhere here. So this is your capacitor right now like this. Okay, so there
Yes,
is
sir.
one dielectric here right now. One dielectric like this. K1 is equals to 1, K2 is equals to 3, and K3 is equals to 6. The distance is becoming for me d by 3. This distance is also d by 3, and this distance is also d by 3. Total
Yes,
area
sir.
is right now remaining for me the same.
Yes, sir. So, yes, sir. Now 3 we have. Yes, sir. I'll do, sir.
Try చేయడం లేదు.
Yes, sir.
You do it on your own once.
Sir, so ఇక్కడ ఒక దాంట్లో
K3 will be in one above the other కదా.
yes, sir.
అంటే d by 2 అవుతుంది, a by 2 కూడా అవుతుంది. అంటే they are in parallel.
Yes,
K2
sir.
and K3 ఒకటి వస్తుంది కదా అప్పుడు.
Yes,
That
sir.
will be
అప్పుడు
with the
distance is
K1.
decreasing అంటే series. Yes, sir.
Series area కదా.
Yes,
One
sir.
above the other కదా. They are one above the other.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా. అంటే distances are becoming this d by 2, d by 2. అంటే
Yes, sir.
దీని ఏరియా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. d by 2, d by 2 అంటే this 2 will become for me series.
Yes, sir.
Whatever we get effective, that will be in parallel with your K1.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది.
Okay. Right.
Yes. Okay, sir. I'll finish these.
You try to
today,
finish
sir.
them and try to let me know. Tomorrow
Yes,
I'll
sir.
start with your current electricity.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Take care. Bye.
Yes, sir. I'll join at 6 o'clock, sir, tomorrow.